Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and today I will talk about my October sale for my video footage and for my images, and I hope so you will enjoy this episode. Let me start with my best-selling agency for this month. On the top it's definitely Adobe, Shutterstock, Alamy and Pond 5 with some video sale. Nothing special, but this is definitely the four agencies which bring me some money in October, and all the other agencies it's behind on the end. It's really like Dreamstem, Deposit Photo or Canvas. As always, I will put in the bottom some price idea for you for how much you can sell your images or video these days on the market. This was definitely the best month for me, but I must say it's better than last month, and it was better than October in 2020. This means it's probably some regular and standard average, because the difference may be $60 or $70. With Alamy I sold images from Red Carpet. It's Kevin Spacey, and these images bring for me $50. Otherwise it's just a couple other small sales on the Alamy. In October I don't produce too much video or images, and I hope so this will not mirror in the November sales, but I am busy with something else. Definitely I just update probably maximum like 40 images and maybe 10 or 12 video footage, what is definitely my lowest uploading for last couple of years. I don't even have a time for shoot some autumn images from foliage, from color changing, and I hope so. I have a couple more days. I will probably start this week, and I will try catch the last colorful leaves here in Connecticut. First half in October it's pretty slow for me. Everything is starting around a little bit more in middle October, but I was happy because I don't know why, but always the second part of the month it's always working better for me. And what is funny, really many times my sale come in Saturday or Sunday, special for, I am talking about the video footage right now. As always I sold a little bit from everything, from editorial and the other like commercial images. I was guessing the next month, not really next month, already this month, November will be a little bit slower, because we have Thanksgiving in United States, and always the market is coming down, especially from middle month to end of the month. The big chance for some seller is more in December, especially for me, but sometimes I have pretty good November also, but every year is a little bit different and depends on the market. I still think the market is still down, but it's not really bad. It's a little bit moving. Just you need make some new images. I don't mean new like super special. I mean just update your portfolio with different location, with different product shoot, or with different composition. It's really many things we can change, and it was about every photographer or videographer. It was definitely not easy these days bring something new, but always if you doing something, you always will find something new way how to shoot, how change the angle, and it's really it's many different way how you can shoot one images, changing the light, changing the composition. It was really very open and wide variety from photographer view. At this moment I am not working on any special project. I will try find something, because after 1 month without any production I have many notes and many sticky note are on my computer what I want to do, what I have to do, and I will try start go over this notes and I will try bring something new for. If you have any question about this episode, just put the question under the video and I will be happy to respond if I know the answer. Definitely don't miss the opportunity in November and shoot Thanksgiving holidays, meeting with friends, family, food. It's definitely a other opportunity for Thanksgiving images. You always can find something new, different people, different food. It's really it's a good time for photographers. Just remember and keep your camera ready, and if you have chance, always keep one with you, even the small one, or if you don't have camera, just keep the phone and try use the phone. Sometimes it's better camera you have than nothing. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and if you like, please click on the like. I hope so I will bring more material for you next coming year, and I will definitely have some idea what can I do this year. I just hope so I have enough time for that. You are always welcome in this channel. Have a wonderful November and beautiful Thanksgiving if I don't see you again.